Hello everyone, it's yet another beautiful season for the Christmas celebration. As you know that everyone would like to give a Christmas card to either their mom, their dad, their family, brothers, siblings, whoever it is that you want to give a Christmas card to. All you need to do is to just watch this video to the end and learn how to make a new Christmas card. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button. Thank you. Now, if you want to draw a snowman, all you need to do is to just draw 3 circles. But because of I'm going to do some little explanation, so I'm just going to be drawing the circles in a kind of way that it's not really fully drawn. So you can see the first one is for the head, the second one is for the body, and then we're going to create a wavy line just to bury the snowman's body inside the snow. So it's actually, the snowman is actually outside, buried inside the snow. And the next thing we need to do is to give it a hat. Every snowman should have a hat. Yes, just to keep the snowman warm so that you don't make the snowman freeze to death. So let's continue. So you can see the wind is a little bit, the wind has blown the hat a little bit to the side, making it bend a little bit. So you just give it a beautiful snowman hat. Just comment below and let's see if you've seen any snowman putting on a hat. And then don't forget to add some muffler. Give it a muffler and then just create create an effect on the muffler, making the wind blow it towards the right hand side. I mean towards the left hand side. Depends on where you are viewing it from, what angle you are viewing it from. So just create some little off wood that are already being twisted off the muffler, and then add some wavy lines. Eventually at the end, these wavy lines, you're going to color them with green and red to make it look beautiful. Christmas has 3 special colors, that is green, red and gold. Then after that, we give our snowman what? We add 3 big black buttons to our snowman. Yes. So if you've also seen a snowman that has 3 big black buttons, just comment on the comment section below. Let's know what you've seen so far. After that, we're going to add the hand. Just give it some stick hand, and then make the fingers crooked, like 3 crooked fingers. So the next step is going to be the snowman's nose. You can see that I cleaned that off with a Tipex. So let's create the background first. So you just use your wavy line to create the background. Don't draw on the snowman's body, no. So just stop the first wavy line, you stop it beside the snowman's body, and then you continue at the other side. So the next thing we can do, we can just add some snowballs falling from the sky. We have the smaller ones, we have the bigger ones. Just add some big and some small snowballs falling from the sky. Just add them everywhere, just to make the background lively. So you can easily add on the foreground also. We have some snowballs that have already dropped on the ground. Now we can just add, give it a write-up like a Merry Christmas. So don't forget that you can easily make this card for either your mom, your dad, or your siblings, or even your teacher at school. Be creative, just write a lovely Merry Christmas there. Make it beautiful. Now, next thing we need to do is to add the snowman's nose. Every snowman has a carrot nose. Yes, an orange carrot nose. So let's just make it longer a little bit. And there we go. Then you add some eyes. And then you add a smiley mouth. And now you have your snowman. Can you see it's very easy to create a beautiful snowman. All you just need is three circles, like one big, then one bigger, and then a very big circle, like 3 different circles, 3 different shapes. And after that, we decide to color it. So like I said earlier, you can color the muffler green, white, green. You color that side maybe silver or gold. The nose should be orange. Then what else? The body should be white, and then maybe the upper side, the upper wavy line, you can just use red. So let's start. We're going to start with the background. So these are the colors we're going to use. We're going to use orange, blue, green, red, and gold. So those are the 5 colors we're going to use. So I guess which color we're using. I guess you already know which color we are using for each part by now. If you do, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to give your comment in the comment section. Alright, for the next step, we can just use some beautiful red colors. Now before we do that, let's just create a wavy line. Do you understand? We can just use a wavy line, not a wavy line, a wavy dotted line to create a pattern just along the wavy line. And after that, we'll color it with red. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to do the same, probably maybe to the down wavy line also.